Good day everyone. Now for our 10th and last video, we are going to tackle about clinometer. Now the objectives of this video is to define clinometer and solve using clinometer. So clinometer, what is clinometer? Clinometer is an instrument used for measuring the angle or of elevation of slopes. So it is an instrument again used to measure the angle of elevation. Now, here's an example. First, let's say we have, using clinometer, we get the angle of elevation from the eye of the person to the pole, to the height of top of the pole. Now we get 40 degree. Now from the pole to the person's location, it measures 2.43 meter. So here it is, 2.43 meter. Now from the eye of the person to the ground, it measures 1.4 meter. Now how do we get the height of the pole to the eye, from the top to the eye of the person? Now we will use tangent. So tangent A, we know that tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. So um, uh, in order to get the opposite, or this one, we will use tan 40 degree is equal to opposite over 2.43 meter, where 2.43 meter is our um, distance from the pole. Now tan 40 degree multiplied to 2.43 meter, now we have our opposite is 2.04 meter. Now this is not the height of the pole yet, because we are finding the height of the pole here. So the height of the pole is equal to the 2.04 meter plus 1.4 meter, which is the height from the eye of the person to the ground. So we add that one, so this is the final height, or this is the final answer. This is the height of the flagpole, 3.44 meter. Now for a second example, we have here uh, uh, using clinometer also, we get the angle of elevation from here to the eye of the person, which is 40 degree. Now our distance from here to the person is 3.7 meter. Now in order to get this one, the height of the roof to the eye of the person, we will use tangent, where tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Now tan 40 degree is equal to opposite over 3.7 meters, where 3.7 meters is our distance from the stage to the from the stage. So tan 40 degree multiplied to 3.7 meters is equal to 3.1 meter. Now we have now the opposite, which is 3.1 meters. Now this is not the final height of this rooftop to the ground. We will add 1.4 meter here. So the height of the stage is equal to 3.1 meter plus 1.4 meter. So we have now the final answer, 4.5 meter. This is 4.5 meters. Now for our third example, we will get the height of the coconut tree. Now using clinometer, we get the angle of elevation, which is 41 degree, and from the coconut tree to our location, it is 7.6 meters. Now from the eye of the person to the ground, this is 1.4 meter. Now how do we get this um, uh, from here to the eye of the person? Now we will use still the tangent formula. So tangent A is equal to opposite of adjacent, where tan 40, or A here is 41 degree. Tan 41 degrees is equal to opposite over 7.6 meters. 7.6 meters is our distance from the tree. Now tan 41 degree multiplied to 7.6 meters, so we have now our opposite is 6.6 meters. Now in order to get the height of the coconut tree, we will add these two here. We will add that one, so we get the height of a coconut tree is 8 meters. Now for our fourth example, we will solve for the height of the basketball ring. Now again, using clinometer, we get the angle of elevation 46 degree, and our distance the ring to from the ring we get 2 meters. Now from our eye to the ground, it is 1.4 meters. Now how do we get the 2.07 meter? So we will use tangent A is equal to opposite over adjacent. So tangent 46 is equal to opposite over 2 meters. Tangent 46 multiplied to 2 meters. So our opposite is 2.07 meters. Now to get the height of the basketball ring, add these two. So 2.07 meters plus 1.4 meters. So we get the height of the basketball ring 3.47 meters. So for our last example, we will solve for the height of the pine tree. So in order to solve for the height of the pine tree, we have here the angle of elevation 52 degree using clinometer. So and our distance from the pine tree is 6.1 meters. Then the height, from the eye of the person to the ground is 1.4 meters. Now how do we get this 7.8 meters? We will use tangent again. Tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Now tan 52 degree is equal to opposite over 6.1 meters. Then tan 52 degree multiplied to 6.1 meters. Now we get the opposite 7.8 meters, which is this one. So in order to get the height of the pine tree, let's add 7.8 and 1.4 meters. So the answer is 9.2 meters. Now that's it for our video today. I hope you guys learned from me, and thank you for watching.